Yeah. Good morning, Miss Christine. We are going to present our assignment about the utilization of the best first search algorithm in the solution of the traveling salesman problem case in CTX. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Efrizal Rahman.
And my name is Lexcaesar Manopo.
Um, yeah. First of all, we have five outline, five step for the outline. The first one is introduction. The second one, related works, methodology, experiment and result, and the last one is conclusions.
First is introductions. Optimization is a search for variable values that are considered optimal, effective, and efficient to achieve the desired result. Many optimization problems that arise in everyday life, one of which is the problem of vehicle routing. The search for an efficient travel path is one of the important things that must exist, because with the planning of a travel path, it will provide convenience in determining the path to be taken with shortest distance so that it can save time, effort, and cost. The traveling salesman's problem is a problem that is easy to describe but difficult to solve, namely the problem of how to determine the shortest distance when traveling past certain points where one point can only be passed once and the journey must return to the first point.
Related works, uh, feedback from the test procedure. There are four things that must be considered to build a system or solve a particular problem. First of all, we have to define the problem clearly. Then analyze the problem. After that, collect and present knowledge. And the last one, choose the best problem solving technique and use it for a particular problem. Best first refers to the algorithm exploring the node with the best value first. And evaluation function is used to assign a value to each candidate node. Okay, to implement this search algorithm, tools are needed, namely open. Open is to manage nodes that have been generated but have not been evaluated. And the second one is close. Close to manage nodes that have been generated and have been evaluated. Yeah, methodology. Good research must be conceptualized with a methodological process. The research concept must be systematic in order to get good grades. The states of solving the shortest route can in this study are identify in the identification of problem, and then search for literature, determining the shortest route, PFS algorithm, general and T's, shortest route, and the last one is goal state.
Uh, Experiment and result. Analysis and designs in this is a route to reach a goal which is to find the shortest route. There are four routes to be taken, namely city 1, 2, 3, 4, with a city distance of AB equal 15, AC equal 28, AD equal 34, BC equal 27, BD equal 26, CD equal 33. Below is an overview of a tourist travel routes to get to the tourist attraction that will be visited. This is the route that will be taken by the tourists, and this is the table of total route distance. Now, based on the table above, the first solution generated is ABCD equal 75, and the second solution is ABDC equal 74. It turns out that the next solution is getting smaller, resulting in the shorter distance, so that the path CABD equal 69 is chosen. In the table, the shortest solution is again the same as CADB or DVAC. To see the final results can also be seen from a decision tree. Now, this is the decision tree, and the weakness of this generate and test technique requires that all possibilities be generated unless certain conditions are given. For example, a tourist spot has been determined, and this BSF search can be used as a reference in determining the shortest route to be visited tourist attraction. And conclusion. Number one, the best first search method can help tourists determine the shortest route to visit its tourist attraction in City X. Number two, the benefits obtained from the best first search method are in the form of the fastest path that is able to find the shortest alternative and can save time and cost for tourists who want to travel. And number three, the best first search system can be used as a decision-making system so as to obtain optimal results. Okay.
Yeah, we have the advantages and disadvantages. The advantages and disadvantages of the best research algorithm in the solution of the traveling salesman problem case in CTX are follows. Advantages. Number one, can switch between BFS and DFS, thus gaining the advantages of both. Number two, more efficient when compared to DFS. Disadvantages. Number one, chances of getting stuck in a loop are higher. Number two, the algorithm may not always find the shortest possible tour. Yeah. And thank you.
Thank you.